Hi, I'm Claire Stevenson and welcome to my Ayurvedic practice. I qualified as a beautician in 1999. At the same time, I qualified as a reflexologist and aromatherapist. During the 3 years of my studies, I had also found yoga and Reiki. So quite naturally after my studies, I in fact started my own beauty practice, and I was fortunate enough to meet a Bonnie, and Bonnie was working alongside me. This gave me the opportunity to spend more time on myself through my yoga, and quite naturally I discovered Ayurveda. Ayurveda is the lifestyle of yoga. So with Bonnie by my side giving me the opportunity, I was able to travel and to teach, and I went off to Germany, and I was there for a year. And then I went off to the Gujarat Ayurveda University, where I qualified in 2010. And during my studies in Germany, in fact, this is where I learned more deeply about the lifestyle of Ayurveda, and I developed this anti-aging facial massage. As I arrived there as a qualified beautician, I had plenty of opportunity to work on people and to practice this Ayurvedic anti-aging facial massage, which I'm gifting to you now. I can't wait to hear from you about your own experience of using this massage, either for yourself using our organic moringa oil or exploring the technique with your patients. Do stay in touch.